Okay, so I just stumbled on this concept about GitHub Copilot and the way it revolutionizes coding. Like, how does AI actually learn to help developers?
Right? It's like having this super smart assistant that actually understands your coding habits. That's pretty groundbreaking.
Exactly. And it gets even wilder when you think about how it can predict what you need next. Wait, it's like a magic 8-ball for coding.
Haha, yes, except way more sophisticated. It analyzes tons of code to provide relevant suggestions. So cool how it learns from the community.
That makes me think, what happens to the traditional processes? Like, are we going to forget the fundamentals of coding?
Good point. There's definitely a risk. Learning with AI support might lead some to skip basics, but I believe it can enhance our skills when used wisely.
Right, so it's a tool, not a crutch. That's a perspective shift. But what about the impact on creativity? Can it stifle original thinking?
That's an interesting concern. While it might streamline repetitive tasks, it could also free up mental space for more innovative approaches. It's a double-edged sword.
Whoa, that's deep. So we might actually see a resurgence in creative solutions because we're not bogged down by syntax errors.
Exactly. And I read somewhere that GitHub even enhances collaboration between developers. Imagine team projects with instant feedback.
Oh, that changes everything. So instead of just individual coding, it becomes this collective growth experience. That's incredible.
Totally. It's like building a shared knowledge base. Plus, the more people use it, the smarter it becomes. It's growing with the community.
I love the communal aspect. But wait, what's the trade-off? Is there any downside to this collaborative AI model?
Great question. One concern is dependency on these tools. If everyone relies on them too much, we might lose our problem-solving edge.
That's scary to think about. Like, are we choosing convenience over skill? But I guess it's all about balance, right?
Exactly. And the potential for rapid iteration in projects is fascinating. It might actually foster a culture of experimentation.
Oh, wow, imagine that. More trial and error without the fear of failure. Developers could push boundaries like never before.
For sure. It's like a playground for software developers. Speaking of which, did you know Copilot can even suggest complete functions?
Wait, seriously? That's like an advanced level of assistance. It's like pairing programming but with AI. Mind-blowing.
Yes, and it's not just limited to coding practices. It's increasingly being integrated into design and broader tech issues. That's revolutionary.
Wow. So we're talking about AI reshaping not just coding, but the entire tech landscape. This is thrilling and a little intimidating.
Definitely intimidating. We need to navigate these waters carefully. But think about the opportunities. Developers could become true innovators.
True. It could turn the average coder into a technical artist, a game changer for the industry, like modern-day Da Vinci's.
Exactly. And I see potential collaborations not just among developers, but also between development and business. Businesses could really thrive.
That's a good point. It opens up collaborations across sectors. So we're not just optimizing coding, but enhancing business intelligence as well.
Exactly. It encourages cross-disciplinary innovation. Just think about how our tech ecosystem could evolve if everyone embraced AI tools.
Man, the future of tech is bright. But also, wait, what about ethical concerns around using AI like this?
Ah, yes, the ethics of AI is crucial. From bias in code suggestions to job displacement, there's so much to address.
Yikes, that sounds heavy. It's a reminder that every tool comes with responsibilities, right?
Absolutely. Developers and companies will need guidelines to navigate these ethical waters. This could define a generation of coders.
Wow, that's an immense responsibility. It's a reminder we can't get complacent. We need to lead the charge in ethical code creation.
Yes, and when you think about it, that could really enhance trust in tech and AI tools, making them more accepted by users.
Totally. So ultimately, it's not just about improving coding efficiency, but also building a competent and ethical tech community.
Exactly. And that's what makes this conversation so vital right now. The promise of AI in coding can redefine our entire industry.
This is blowing my mind. So if we embrace this responsibly, the future could be full of creative coding geniuses.
For sure. And who knows, maybe we'll see a new wave of tech leaders emerge who are AI savvy and ethically grounded.
Wait, I think I see the bigger picture now. It's not just about tools. It's about shaping a collaborative, ethical future.
Exactly. So let's keep exploring and questioning how we can best use these tools while upholding our values, So exciting.
Agreed. This journey of discovery with AI is just beginning, and honestly, I can't wait to see where it takes us.